Hello, so in this video I want to start styling the second page when we click the start button in the starting page. So to do that we need to have a clear mind of what our UI should be. So we are going to write a lot of blocks and give them a border and adjust them accordingly. So let's get to it. So the first thing we do is commit all the changes that we did to from our initialized repo. So we can just do git add all and git commit. Okay, message for starting page. Great, and before I forgot, let's just put in all the CSS in one file, shall we? So styles, and I'll paste these two in here and update our index HTML accordingly. So in here should be also in here. So let's say styles. Great. Still looks the same. Great. That means it works. So next thing we do is add some new elements inside our view index control div container here. So we want to have a section, and I will call this to be alright. So app underscore game UI. Okay, I don't need to give it anything in here, but just to start with something. Okay, div, we need app underscore game. Okay, we need game. So now we are at game UI here. So game UI underscore health section. So health probably bar. Give it bars. Health bars. Great. And we also need a section for our action. So say action screen. And lastly, we need controls and logs. Let's give it very explicit in here. So I want this to show up if we click the start button. So start can be a trigger for that. So let's play this with a property called game is running, and so give it a false value first. No, and let's declare our first methods, right? And let's call it start game. Use the ES6 syntax, and this dot game is running equals to true. Okay, and in index here, and we can then say click, listen to click, and let's give it a function called start game, and let's say if bind the game is running property here, and this part I just use else. Okay, let's test out our solution, but first let's give this UI style here. So we want this to have just like its container but shorter, so probably a 90 pixel and 590 pixel, right, and a border 1 pixel solid white. Okay. So the start part is a little bit off. So this should be not game is running, but game is not running. Okay, great. Let's frame sort of effect. This actually I kind of like this. So let's move on with declaring the 3 sections inside our game UI. So the health bars should they all should actually have their dedicated class, but let's just put them in here. So these 3 should share the same sort of effect, I guess. Okay, now it's listed, and I want these UIs to be display flags. Display flags, great. And flags direction to be column, and okay, justify content should be sort of what do we want? Okay, pronouncing space around. Okay, this looks okay. And align items should be center. Great. And let's give it a universal style as well. Okay. So I want the width to be probably a little bit smaller than the original. It's container, and height should be, they will deduct it, deduct 59 here. So let me try to get a place. So 590 divided by 3 equals to 1 here. 2. Okay. So I will first try to use this value here and see how it goes. Okay, I think this actually looks okay. But the health bar is too large. Actually, we can make it shorter. So in here, I can give it sort of like 100 pixel. Okay, and this can be larger, so 2. Okay. Yeah, I think this is okay. Let's move on. So what else do we need? So we need event block here, player and world mode. So let's just do that here. Let's just say div.array. text.css. Okay, these two should share the same property, and it should be a square div. So, okay, this is its parent. So I want the width to be sort of 300 pixel first. Okay, so 300 first. So if the two is the same, so we have 600 pixel of width, and minus by the our width here. Let me see, 800, 600, and we got 280 pixel in between as the space. I think it feels okay, but let's test it out first. So great, and so give it a display flags. Okay, it's obviously it's too large here, so let's squeeze it down a bit. We still need to divide evaluate by 3, so so let me see, 3 times probably 80. Okay, the UI screen is 230, so 3 times 70. Okay, 70 pixel. Okay, so 203. Okay, 300, 203. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay here. Just need to put in a channel in between, and we are done. So this is 210, this is 210. So together they will 420 pixel, and minus by our action screen width 880. We have approximately okay 460 pixel in between. So we just say okay. Four six zero, and also solid white. Great. As you can see, we have kicked out of self UI white screen here, and let me just say align items to be sort of center here, so that they will be placed in the center. Great, and we need controls on the left and locks on the right here as well. So let's just do that. Great. Uh, mm, mhm, mhm. All right. Height should be the same. So width should be this. And also display flags. Okay, probably no need to justify content. Just to be sure, space around and okay, let's see. Great. It looks okay. So we have a basic layout right here. Let's just make this bit smaller. Yeah, we have got ourselves a basic layout. So the content, whatever content that we include here will be created inside its container. So the container is fixed, so it won't overflow to the other end. All right, we can leave this video here, and in the next video we will start to probably build our channels.